Mathematics Day. Every year, Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22 December in India and March 14 worldwide. It is the birth anniversary of the legendary mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born in 1887 at Erode in Tamil Nadu. He is known for his remarkable contribution to the theory of numbers and mathematics. National Mathematics Day is celebrated to honor the contribution of Srinivasa Ramanujan in the field of mathematics. Mathematics Day was introduced on 26 December 2011 by Indian Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh on Srinivasa Ramanujan's 125th birthday. The credit for the initiation of this great day goes to our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. We celebrate Mathematics Day to aware the people of our country of the importance of mathematics in our life. It also inspires younger generation to fall in love with and be passionate about learning mathematics. National Mathematics Day is joyfully observed by educational institutions all around the country. On this day, several workshops, seminars, debates, and discussions happen in schools, colleges, etc. on Srinivasa Ramanujan's life and achievement. Children from various regions of the country participate in this workshop and programs. Mathematics is the subject, and to regard this subject, Mathematics Day is celebrated worldwide. Mathematics has made life so simple for people. We celebrate Mathematics Day for 2 days in India. On 14 March 2007, when the first time World Mathematics Day was celebrated, and online mode maths lovers from all over the world compete in this event for the chance to win. Gold medals and certificates are given to the top 10 finishers in this contest. On the other hand, Srinivasa Ramanujan is honored in India on National Mathematics Day. He was an extraordinary Indian mathematician. Srinivasa has made some significant contribution to mathematics. Indians thus celebrate 22 December as National Mathematics Day to recognize his birthday. Both of these days are observed to encourage students to study maths more. We should not be afraid of this subject because all learn this subject from our childhood. We use mathematics in our daily life.